नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लास है यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर फर्स्ट द फन दे हैड क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन ए फ्यू वर्ड और ए कपल ऑफ सेंटेंस इच। नंबर 1, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्जी एंड टॉमी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट डिड मार्जी write in her diary. Number 3, had Mary ever seen a book before? Number 4, what things about the books did she find strange? Question number 5, what do you think a telebook is? Question number 6, where was Margie school? Did she have any classmate? Question number 7, what subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Answer number 1, Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 30 years old. Answer number 2, Margie wrote about the amazement she felt when she saw the real books. Answer number 3, no, Margie had even seen a book before. Answer number 4, she found that the book was yellow and clearly, and something she found to be strange was that the word were still and the text at the previous page was still there and did not vanish like it was supposed to be in a computer screen. Answer number 5, a little book was a mechanics books which is displayed on a screen. Thought the use of technology, the lesson were important into the kids. Answer number 6, Margie's school was in her home itself, right next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmate. Answer number 7, Margie and Tommy learned graphy, geography, history, and arithmetic. Question number 2, answer the following with reference to the story. I would not throw it away. Number 1, who say this word? Question number 2, what did not what does it refer to? Question number 3, what is it being compared with by the speaker? Sir, he had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Number 1, who does they refer to? Number 2, what does regular means here? Number 3, what is it consonant with? Answer number 2. Number 1, Tommy had spoken his word. Answer number 2, it refers to the television screen on which you could read over a million books. Question number 3. Answer number 3, Tommy has compared the television screen to the real books in earlier time in which word were printed off paper. He thought that after reading such books one would throw them away. However, he would never have to throw away his telebook. Second, question number answer number 1. They refer to the student who study in the old kind of schools centers before the time the story is set in. Answer number 2. Here regular refer to the mechanics mechanical teachers that Tommy and Margie had. Number 3. The mechanical teachers is compared with the teacher of the earlier time who was a woman wing.
Question number 3. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. Number 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Number 3. What did he do? Number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? Number 5. What had once happened to Tommy teachers? Number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer number 3. Answer number 8. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black and ugly screens on which all the lesson were shown and questions were asked. These mechanical teachers had a fixed time in which the student had to put their homework and test paper. They had to write her answer in a punch code and the mechanical teachers calculated the mark thereafter. Number 2. Margie had been given many tests in geography by the mechanical teachers, but there was no improvement in her performance. Mark went from bad to worse. It is for this reason that Margie's mother sent for the country inspector to find out the reason because of which this was happening. Question answer number 3. The country inspector had Margie an apple and started working on the mechanical teachers. Margie hoped that the inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teachers together again, but somehow he managed to reassemble it on his own. Then he slowed down the geography sector of the teachers because it was read a little too quick for a average 10 years old. Answer number 4. Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teachers had been carried a little too quick. The country inspector told it was not her fault that she was not performing well. The country inspector slowed down the geography sector of the mechanical teachers to an average 10 years level. He also told Mr. Jones that Margie progress patterns was satisfactory. Answer number 5. Once the history sector of Tommy's teacher had on blacked out completely. Answer number 6. Yes, Margie had regular day and hours for school. He mothers believed that learning at regular hours helped little child learn better. Her mechanical teachers was also on at the sometime weekday and was not available on Saturday and Sunday. Answer number 7. Tommy described the old kind of school as a specific place where children come and were taught by a humble teachers. They studies the some subject at once at and were taught uniformly. Number 8. Tommy said that the old kind of teachers were men who taught the student inside a specific, especially building. The teachers taught the children in groups and have them homework and also asked team question. Question number 4. Answer each of this question in 2 or 3 paragraphs. 150 words. Question number 8. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your question. Answer number 4. Answer number 8. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screens on which all the lessons were so the question were asked. They had a slide in which students had to put their homework and test paper. They had to return their answer in a punch code and the mechanical teachers calculated the mark immediately. Their school were in these homes. Itself they did not have any classmates.
They learned geography, history, and arithmetic. They had a regular day and hours for school. Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher's advice turned on at the same time every day expected Saturday and Sunday because her mother said that little girl learned better than they learned at regular hours. Number 2. Margie hated school because at the lesson were taught through technical device, but they had to return all the homework and assignment on the paper and had to put them in a slot. She had been doing badly in the geography test that her mechanical teachers had been giving her. The part that she hated the most was inserting the homework and test paper in the slot on the mechanical teacher. She thought that the old kind of school was a specific place where children come and study together. They also used to travel together, which would be fun and exciting. Number 3. Yes, I agree that school today are more fun than the school in the story. In the story, there is no interaction among students doing homework without anybody's help and written then in a pump code scene. seems to be a boring idea. Moreover, children need a healthier way of learning to develop an understanding about each other. Listening to teachers explaining lesson is always more interesting. Discuss it with the teachers and other kids. It is impossible to describe problem and suitable with a mechanical teacher that in is only programmed to take in a particular manner. The curiosity of waiting for the mark scored in exam increases when on in sitting in a classroom. It does not have the sum effect when the marks are calculated immediately after a test had been taken. Finally, the friends that you make in school are important. You also learn various qualities in school like obedience, respect, kindness for others, sharing things, sports, and other activities. Therefore, school today are more fun than the school in the story. Thinking about learn list language. Question number 1. Adverb. Read this sentence taken from the story. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. The word complete is an adjective. When you add lay to it becomes an adverb. Number 8. Find the sentence in the lesson which have the adverb given in the box below. Fully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, nonchalantly. Number 2. Now use this adverb to fill in the blanks in the sentence below. Number 8. The report must be read dash so that performance can be improved. Number 2. At the interview, Samir Eversum our question dash shrugging his shoulders. Number 3. We have dash when we are tired on or hungry. Number 4. The teacher shook her head dash when Ravi led to her. Number 5. I dash forgot about it. Number 6. When I complimented Revathi on her success, she just smiled dash and turned away. Number 7. The president of the company is dash busy and will not to able to meet you. Number 8. I finished my work dash so that I could go out to play. Number 3. Make adverb from face adjective. Number 1. Agree. Number 2. Happy. Number 3. Merry. Number 4. Sleepy. Number 5. Easy. Essay. Number 6. Noisy. Number 7. Tiddy. Number 8. Gloomy. Answer. Number 1. They turned the page which were yellow and crinkly and it was a fully
funny to read word that stood still instead of moving the why they were supposed to on a screen. You now. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowful and sent for the country inspector that had once taken Tommy's teachers away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, century ago. But my mother say a teacher has to be abject, adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kind has to be taught differently. I did not say I did not like it, Marzi said quickly. Maybe he said nonchalantly. Number 2. The report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. Number 2. At the interview, Samir answered our question loftily, shrugging his shoulders. Number 3. We all behave differently when we are tired or hungry. Number 4. The teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lit to her. Number 5. I completely forget about it. Number 6. When I completely mented Rivati on her success, she just simulated nonchalantly and turned away. Number 7. The president of the company is a fool busy and will not be able to meet you. Number 8. I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play. Number 3. Make adverb from this adjective. Number 1. Agree. Angrily. Number 2. Happy. Happily. Number 3. Merry. Merrily. Number 4. Sleepily. Sleepily. Number 5. Easy. Easily. Number 6. Noisily. Number 7. Tidily. Number 8. Gloomily. Question number 2. If not and unless. Imagine that Marzi's mother told her, "You feel a fool if you do not finish your history lesson." She could also say, "You feel a fool unless you finish your history lesson." Unless means if not sentence with unless or if not are negative conditional sentence. Note that C sentence have two part. The part that being with if not are unless tell us the condition. This part has a verb in the present tense. Look at the verb do not finish in the sentence. A verb. The other
part of the sentence tells us about a possible result. It tells us what will happen if something easily do not happens. The verb in this part of the sentence is in the future tense. You feel, you will feel. Notice face this, notice this. Two sentence again in the following example. Future tense. There want not be any books left. You want not learn you lesson. Tommy will have an accident unless if unless. Present tense. Be preserve theme. You do not study regularly. He drive more slowly. Complete the following conditional sentence. Use the correct form of the verb. Number 1. If I do not go to Anu's party tonight, dash. Number 2. If you do not telephone the hotel to order food, dash. Number 3. Unless you promise to write back, I, dash. Number 4. If she does not play any games, dash. Number 5. Unless that little bird flies away quickly, that the cat, dash. Answer second. Number 8. If I do not go to Anu's party tonight, she will be angry. Number 2. If you do not telephone the hotel to order food, you will miss your evening meal. Number 3. Unless you are promised to write back, I will not write to you. Number 4. If she does not play any games, she will become dull and lazy. Number 5. Unless that little birds flying away quickly, the cat will punch on it. Rating. Question. A new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has just been released. Order on set written a letter to the publishers. Mindfam Private Limited. Mindfam Private Limited, 1632 Asaf Ali Road, New Delhi, requesting that a set we send to you by volume payable post VVP and giving you address your letter. We will later will have the following part: address of the sender and receive the salutation, the body of the letter, the closing face and signature. Your letter might look like this: your address, date, month, years. The address: dear sir, madam. Your sincerely, your signature. Remember that the language of a formal letter is different from the colloquial style of personal letter. For example, contracted forms such as IV or cannot are not used. आंसर: उत्तम नगर, दिल्ली, 15 अप्रैल 2023 में। माइंडफ्रेम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, 1632 एसएफ अली रोड, न्यू दिल्ली, इतना 110002। डियर सर, सब्जेक्ट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर सेंडिंग इन न्यू रिविटेड वॉल्यूम ऑफ AC move stories. Kindly send me ons of new received volume of AC move story by VVP at the above address at you a list. Also check the proper winding of the books, bindings of the books, number of pages, and this sequence must checked before packing. Any damaged piece will have to be placed at your cost. Your sincerely, Rahul Dev. Speaking. Question. I group of 4 discuss the following topics. The schools of the future will have no books and no teachers. Your group can decide to speak for or against the mention. After this, each group will selected a speakers to present its views to the entrance class. Your many find the following phase unfold to present your agreement in the debate. In my opening, I fail to understand by I will heartily support oppose the view that at the outset let's me say I like to raise the issue of agrees against. I should like to draw attention to our earthly opponent has submitted that on the contrary I firmly reject answer. I supported the school of the future will have no books and no teachers on the following point. Nowadays, internet is very common to all of us, so the kind will learn everything in this hours through computer. They will be having an easy access to information on the screen. It will save time, energy and money. They will also avoid the extra tension of classwork and homework. They will do homework side by side as per this conversations experience of teachers, school binding books, stationery and different teaching aids will be reduced, will be have an instant access to every information. This it will be a new area of education for all this all in this why everyone is does not matter can take education at this conform. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.